If you want to add a macro to your Razer mouse using Razer Synapse, here's how to do it. It works the same way in both Synapse 3 and 4, so you can follow along no matter which version you're using. First, make sure you've installed Razer Synapse and that your mouse is connected and recognized. Once you open Synapse, find the macro section in the sidebar. Click the plus sign to create a new macro and give it a name you'll remember. Now you can start recording your macro. Click record and perform the actions you want to automate. This can include mouse clicks, keystrokes, or even scroll wheel movements. When you're done, hit stop. If you need to make adjustments, you can easily do that. You'll see a list of your recorded actions in a timeline. You can rearrange them, delete individual ones, or tweak the delays between steps. This is great if you need more precise control, like holding a button down longer or adding a small pause between actions for better timing. You can even rename actions for clarity if your macro has many steps. Once your macro looks good, it'll be saved in your macro list. You can also export it to your computer if you want a backup. To assign the macro to a button, go to the mouse section in Synapse. Click the button on the image of your mouse that you want to use. Then choose macro from the options. Pick the macro you just made and hit save or apply. Now every time you press that button, your recorded sequence will run automatically, which can save a lot of time in games or repetitive tasks.